Language, page number 139. Direct and indirect speech, exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence in reported speech. Keep pencils in your hands. Exercise D. There is a bee in the room. There is a bee in the room, screamed Meeta. Meeta screamed that there was a bee in the room. Present tense change into past tense, so there will be was instead of is. We are doing exercise D on page number 139. First sentence, there is a bee in the room. And we know when we talk about indirect speech, the present tense changes into past tense. So, was. Is will change into was. Number 2, Virat said, I love playing the cover drive. Virat said that he loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved playing the cover drive. Number 3, Mum said, I was waiting for you. Mum said that she was waiting for me. Was waiting. Next, I have been a student of this school since class 1, said Becky. Becky said that she had been, had been, had been a student of that school since class 1. Had been. Put a tick mark on this exercise and write their copy. Put a tick mark on this exercise and write their copy. Yes, Anya. Speak loudly, I can't hear you. 139 page number exercise D we have done. Page number 139 exercise D. D for dog. I'm repeating. Answer 1 is was. Answer 2 is loved. Answer 3 is was. And answer 4 is had been. Had been. Now, next exercise E. Change the sentences into indirect speech. I will visit my friend tomorrow, said Sita. Sita said that Sita said that she would visit her friend. She would visit her friend the next day. Sita said that she would will be changed into would. Sita said that she would visit her friend the next day. The next day. So what you have to write here? Sita is already written. You have to write said that she would. In the first blank, you have to write said that she would. And then visit her friend the next day. The next day. Done? Point number 2. Mani said, I love animals as much as I love people. Mani said that. Mani said that he loved. Mani is already written. You have to write said that he loved. Said that he loved animals as much as he. Second blank, only he. I'm repeating. Mani said that he loved animals as much as he loved people. Done? Next. Ravi said, Geeta, I need to borrow your book today. Ravi told Geeta that he needed that he needed to borrow her. To borrow is already written. Then write her book. Book is already written. That day. That day. I'm repeating. Ravi told Geeta that he needed to borrow her book that day. Next, Miss Roy said, here there are almost 45,000 species of spiders in the world. Miss Roy that said that there were. Miss Roy said that there were. Rest is already given. Almost 45,000 of species. Next, point number 5. Turn page. The quiz master said to us, India won 6 medals at the London Olympics in 2012. The quiz master told us that. The quiz master told us that. The quiz master told us that India, India, the quiz master told us that India had, actually had. Sachin said, I will retire after the test match against the West Indies. Number 6. Sachin said that he would. Sachin said that he would. Sachin said that he would. Number 7. The children said it is too dark there. The children said that it was too dark there. Children said that it was too dark there. Next, the players said to the principal, we will try our best. The players told the principal that they would try their best. That they would try their best. Next, Shoma said Sita and I will be going to the museum tomorrow. Shoma said that she Shoma said that she and Sita would be going would be going to the museum, to the museum the next day, the next day, to the museum the next day. Last, the doctor said to Raj's parents, Raj is eating a lot of fast food. The doctor told Raj's parents that he was eating a lot of fast food. He was eating a lot of fast food. Yes, he was eating a lot of fast food. What? Those who have those who have missed out anything, those who have missed out anything, listen to me. Those who have missed out anything, when I give you the link, please go through the video again and again until everything is clear. Okay, I give you the link of the video, not just to take it and sit. The video, the link is given to you so that you can study again and again from the same video which has been taught in the morning. So if anything is left out, please check out from the video. Now we are going to meet for the next.